1, 2, 3. Ball for Kids Day. Go ahead and bowl.
I like Bowl for Kids Day because it's fun and I get to spend time with my coworkers for a good cause.
I hate bowling. I don't play very good, but I'll give money away.
This has become quite the tradition. The fact that Group Health has brought out so many people year after year is just an amazing testament to their culture, to their generosity, and of course, Big Brothers Big Sisters gets to benefit by bringing more one-to-one youth mentoring relationships together.
It's a great time, great people, a great cause. Why wouldn't it be one of the best nights of the year?
And of course, Group Health is out here in full force. It's good to see Group Health. My goodness, I think Group Health is our health challenge winner for 30,000 years in a row.
I love to help kids that need supportive mentors in their life. It's very important to me. I have a daughter who is 7, and I feel like every kid needs some support and some help.
You know, helping the kids. It's all for the kids.